In this video, we will learn how to use recommend charts in Excel sheet. Here I have some sales data with the month of every sales data here mentioned. I'm using here the recommended chart in Excel sheet. Just select the full data first and click on the insert tab. Here you can see the recommended charts. Just click on that. Here you can see the Excel recommend you chart as per your data. You just see by clicking on the preview of the chart. Okay, all chart here also available. The recommended chart here. Excel recommend you this chart for this data. If you use this chart, if you like this chart, you can use it. So I just use this chart and click on OK. That's it. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.